How to track your Shopee parcel. Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to track your Shopee parcel. To track your Shopee parcel, you could either use a Shopee app or website or utilize a third-party tracking platform as well. If you're using an app or website, you want to log into your Shopee account and navigate to My Purchase from the top of the page. So here you could go ahead and click on the initials or the name and go to My Purchase from a drop-down menu. As you go to My Purchase, here you'll be able to see the orders. So in order to go ahead and see the orders or to track the package, you could go ahead and click on the particular order for which you want to track the package and view the order details, including the tracking number, all that. You could also find the estimate delivery date in your order details, and if you're using a website, you could also track a package using a track your shipment feature available. So this is how you'll be able to track your Shopee parcel. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.